Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Vice President Kashim Shettima, Chief of Staff, and other members of our cabinet and government here present, to Sir Emeka Yoku. It's very good to see you. I'm very happy that you are here, and to other leaders of Patriots, thank you for being there as a great citizens of our country. Very concerned. Aremo Shoba, it's good to find you here again. To our leaders, we thank God for the memory of Chief Rotimi Williams and that of Chief Ben Wabese. I've listened to you carefully, and this is not a group that you ignore. It's a group of patriots reflecting the heart and aspiration of the society. I thank all of you for being here. I have faced the challenge of this democracy. I inherited this democracy from your struggles. I must recognize the fact that it is most required for good governance, a democracy. We have no other choice. And I believe that. I believe also that it's very difficult to manage. Yes, to the twists and turns of democratic governance. I want to assure all of you, as I listen to you, the two major reforms that you requested: path to referendum and that should lead to constitutional measures that will fit our diversity and governance, so we avoid conflicts and breakups. Yes, I'm from the school that will advocate for unity of this country. And I believe in it. I definitely want to assure you that whatever is necessary, I'll put happiness and good governance in the heart of all Nigerians. This is what I will do. I've listened to the past cries of constitutional reform. Yes, I've had your examples and a thoughtful presentation on this subject. Avoidance of chaos is necessary to build this country and move its aspiration across the line for the benefit of all of us. I'm still preoccupied with thinking and tinkering with the economic reform. That's my first priority. Once I get that reform in place as soon as possible, then I look at other options. The option of constitutional review, as recommended by you, and other options of learned minds in this country should take into account the need for our nation to make progress. And I've seen many people that had been in the trenches with me. Kano Agabi, Labra Maku, and many of you here who be able to say you know me, and you Emeka Yoko, one way or the other, we are related, and we have a good history together. And no matter how hard it was for me when I got your request to be here, I quickly look into it. We believe in Nigeria. That is what is paramount in your mind. But how will it be governed constitutionally, legitimately, without unnecessary aches and pain of its diversity? Needs to be addressed constitutionally and build a nation that we can proudly say do we have and hand over a banner without saying to our children? I will work on that. I may have to summon you again. To furnish and discuss further details of your rich background. As you present this to me, just believe that it is before these personalities. It is here to be reviewed, digested, and taken seriously. I want to say thank you very much for coming. I commit myself to the foresight and the belief that you want a stable Nigeria, a prosperous country, Nigeria. We will work towards that. Thank you very much.